What's your favorite comfort food? Some people say chicken soup. Some people like stew. I like Christmas cake. There's nothing like a well-made Christmas cake, because when you eat it, it feels like a warm hug. What's the difference between an artisanal cake and a cake? Artisanal, I guess, comes from the word artist, and the artist will want the best possible tools to paint with. Likewise, the baker will choose the best ingredients, like the best flour, the best organic dried fruits, in this case, best brandy possible. Then it's the attention to detail, how you cream your sugar, your muscovado sugar, and your butter. Again, we only use organic butter. We're going to put a blanket over it so we keep it nice and warm, and we're going to let it cook, bake in the oven for 3 hours, gently. A good Christmas cake. The crust is slightly, only slightly, so slightly burnt, and it's got this wonderful aroma of caramelized sugar. Look at the crumb on that. It's going to be so delicious and luscious. You know what? I hear there are some Christmas cakes that are 10 years old. Wow, I'd like to taste that. But I don't think this one is going to last 10 years. It's going to be gone in the next 5 minutes. Merry Christmas! So good. Come, Leia.